So my name is Ron Vega Gabito. I am a software developer, 4 months just new, relatively new in for UST. I am from the Philippines, yeah, and then now I'm based in Singapore. Yeah, I found the workshop very comprehensive, and then they gave a lot of details, especially those they have lots of storytelling sessions where they relate it to themselves, and also with how we work. Also, we also can relate to how they run through the workshop. Yeah, so I find that a lot of things there are can be related to me. Even if the workshop is servant leader, right? You expect that you're supposed to be a leader to attend the training. Not really. You can apply this workshop even with your personal personal things. So for the key takeaway is just to follow through your own values, right? So as long as you follow your values, I find that based on how they told their story, as long as you follow your values, good things are bound to come to you, professionally or personally. So you stick your values, then you'll get a good something out of it. For a lot of things. For example, empathetically learning. Yeah, they've thought about this. I usually reply just to reply. I listen to reply. Yeah, so which is not really good, right? But I've been doing it for so long. But with this workshop, I realized that you don't rush into things, right? You need to think of it. You need to think of what you're going to respond, and then listen to how the talker is feeling, or what message they want to convey, and what they want to get out of you, right? Yeah, so that's one. Yeah, and then dreaming big. I always dream big, but not that big. Maybe the achievable kind of big. But with this workshop, I find that you should dream big to get a bit further ahead, right? Then learning from your past mistakes, whatever's happening now, and then what could be the outcome of the decisions that you make. It's a very big thing for you to be thinking about, right? And then this workshop has helped me to get it together and plan for these things.